Thank you for considering Bolt Self-Storage in Tompkins County, New York. Our facility in Ithaca, New York is located right next to NYSEG on Route 13, about 7 minutes north of town. We have 617 units, most of which are climate controlled, ranging from 5 by 5 by 4 lockers, which are great for students, all the way up to 10 by 20 climate controlled units and 10 by 20 drive-in units, which can be used to store vehicles. There's an example of our 5 by 5 by 4 locker that's designed for students. There's one on top of the other. That can generally fit about 10 or 12 items. 5 by 10 climate controlled unit right here. That's about the size of a walk-in closet. Our facility has a gated keypad entry, which means 24 hours a day you can punch in your gate code to get access to your unit. Here at Bolt Storage, we pride ourselves in a quick and efficient rental process. No more driving across town, no more signing paper leases. You can go straight to our website from the comfort of your vehicle or your home, and you can rent a unit, you can make your payment, and you can set up and manage your account right there to do everything you need to do in relation to your unit. And you get instant access right then to go to your unit and start using the space. To start the rental process or to get a hold of one of our customer service reps, visit boltstorage.com today.